Hello, this is Dave from Dimensional Consulting. Today we are going to talk about choosing datum features in component parts based on their function in the assembly as shown in figures 7-43, 7-44, and 7-45 of the ASME Y14.5 2018 standard. Specifically, we will focus on the datum features for the pulley and the adapter. Look at what the adapter does. It has a surface that must mate to the flat surface on the crankshaft. This will control the rotations around the Y and Z axes, as well as the translation in the X direction. Then, the pilot diameter on the adapter must fit into the pilot bore in the crankshaft. This will control the translations of the adapter in the Y and Z directions. Now look at the pulley. It has a pilot bore that must fit over the pilot diameter on the adapter. This will control the rotations around the Y and Z axes, as well as the translations in the Y and Z directions. It has a surface that will then mate against a surface in the adapter to control the X translation. Now let's look at the datum features on the pulley. Since the bore must constrain the Y and Z translations and the rotations around the Y and Z axes, we make the bore our primary datum feature. A cylindrical datum feature primary will constrain those two translations and rotations. Since the surface must constrain the X translation, we make the surface our secondary datum feature. We control its perpendicularity relative to the primary datum feature. The remaining surface then, for the profile tolerance, references datum feature A primary and datum feature B secondary. Now let's look at the adapter. Since the surface that mates to the crankshaft must constrain the rotations around the Y and Z axes, as well as the X translation, we will make the surface our primary datum feature. A surface primary controls that translation and those two rotations. Since the pilot diameter must constrain the Y and Z translations, we will make the pilot diameter our secondary datum feature. The features of size are then located relative to A primary and B secondary. That's today's video. If you want to see more tips like this, please subscribe. If there are additional topics you'd like me to cover, please let me know in the comments. And visit my website at dimensionalconsulting.com.